For this health boosting drink, you will need water, preferably distilled, turmeric, ginger, ground pepper, which will help you to absorb the turmeric, Chinese 5-spice, cinnamon, stevia to make the spirulina and chlorella easier to drink. So I'm going to have about this much ginger and about this much turmeric. I keep my water in this copper container overnight, so for 8 hours, so it gets all the benefits of being in the copper. Really good for your immune system apparently. And put that much water in before blitzing the blender. Once blended, strain, and I keep these bits for my muesli, or you can put it into a porridge, so you get all the goodness still from the bits. Strain it all off. So that makes about a teaspoon of black pepper, about a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice, about a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of stevia for sweetening. Now, all of that goes in before the spirulina, big old teaspoon of spirulina, because the spirulina will stick to the sides, so I put that in afterwards, so it's got less chance of sticking to the sides, even though I just poorly poured that. And then next, a spoonful of chlorella, which is much finer. And enjoy.